Okay, we are gonna do some color blending. So I have a couple feathers that I drew here, and I am erasing some of this pencil out. I decided to outline mine, so I'm erasing the pencil so that we just see the lovely outline. Okay, so there's a couple secrets to color blending. You can see I've already color blended this one. It's actually 4 different sort of reds. So the secret to color blending is to keep it within the family. So all of these are different types of reds. You can also do colors that are near each other on the color wheel. So, you know, I use pinks and reds, which are in here. But you can also use oranges, or I could put some purple in there. If we keep them nice and close together, then it will blend nicely. If I want to jump across the color and try to mix a pink with a green, it is not going to blend well. It's just not going to look nice. So you really want to take a look at that color wheel when you're thinking about blending. If you have a light version of a color and it's not on the color wheel, then you just do your best bet. So this is a really light green, but it's a green, so it still kind of goes here. I can mix this with regular green. I can mix this with yellow green. I can mix this with yellow. So I'm going to get out yellow, yellow green, a bunch of these little guys here you can see all in this family. So let me kind of put them in order here. There we go. Yellow, this light green, regular green, and kind of a dark green. So these are just in the color wheel order now. So this is the order I'm going to use in my feather. I'm going to use the lightest at the top, but there's no rule about that. And so the other tip is overlapping. The other trick, not just a tip, but the other trick to overlapping is, to color blending is to overlap. So I'm kind of pressing hard here to get a nice bright yellow, but then I'm going to put some in here I'm not pressing as hard, where I'm going to overlap. I'm pressing pretty light down in here. So it's kind of like I pressed hard, I pressed medium, now I'm pressing super light. Okay, and now my pencil's okay, so now I'm onto this color. And I'm going to overlap and coloring basically where I just ended that other one. Now there really doesn't seem to be much of a difference here in this color, so I bet you really can't see it on the video. I can't really see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start coloring real light and switch to the next color, because it's hard to see how this has any green in it. So I'm gonna switch to regular green now. And again, overlapping, going where I already put that one and overlapping. This is where I'm going to show you the best trick, because now we can see it on the video pretty well. The yellow was a little hard to see. So I've got some green and it's overlapping into here. And then I'm going to move from that overlapped area with the light green and the regular green into more like regular green. Probably going to take this pretty far down. Once I have a nice area of regular green and I have pressed lighter on each side of it, I'm actually going to go back. I'm going to take kind of a step backwards and use this light one to go over this again to really help kind of blend that area out. Good, that looks good. So again, kind of light in here. Take my regular green now and I'm going to overlap, going over part of this. And I've got a class coming in, but I will color this all the way down and I will come back with a little bit of this on here to get this nice smooth blending from one color to the other.